Linux Mint is a free, open-source operating system based on Ubuntu. It's known for being great for users switching from Windows, stable and secure, and very customizable. In this beginner's guide, we will help you install it, manage themes and appearance, use basic terminal commands, and more. If you haven't already, you can install Linux Mint by following these steps. The first step is to go to the official Linux Mint website and download the latest ISO image. Simply click on the download button and you can browse through the editions. Select the edition you want, click download, and you will then see a list of mirror links. Click on one of the links and the file should start downloading. The file is about 2 GB in size, so it may take some time to download. To go ahead with the installation, you will need a USB flash drive. If you haven't already got one, you can buy one on Amazon or eBay. They're not very expensive. To create a bootable USB, you will need to use Rufus. Simply go to the official website and download the latest version. Once Rufus has finished downloading, double-click on it to open it. When it opens, click on the Select button and choose the Linux Mint file you downloaded. Then, click on Start, and you will see a warning that all data on the USB drive will be erased. If you have any important files on there, you should back them up to another location, as they will be deleted when Rufus copies the file to it. Then, wait for Rufus to create the bootable USB drive. Once the process is finished, the status bar will display ready. You can close Rufus and safely remove the USB drive. To go ahead with the installation, plug the USB drive into your computer before you start it up. When it starts up, it should automatically boot from the USB drive and you will see the Linux Mint desktop. If it doesn't boot from USB, you will need to look into your BIOS settings and ensure that the USB drive is selected as the first boot device. The process of entering the BIOS varies, depending on your computer manufacturer, so you should research specific instructions if you're unsure. Once you've booted into the Linux Mint desktop, click on the Install Linux Mint icon on the desktop. You can set the language and keyboard layout, and click Next. When asked how to install Linux Mint, you can choose to dual boot, or erase the disk, and install Linux. Select an option, and then follow the rest of the instructions to set up your user account and complete the installation. After you've installed Linux Mint, your computer will restart. To get started after installation, you can install some apps. You can use the software manager for easy app browsing. You will find a wide range of apps here, including productivity software, photo and video editors, system tools, and more. Many popular Windows apps have a Linux version. Some popular apps include VLC Media Player, GIMP Image Editor, OBS Studio, and Audacity. Linux Mint offers several customization options. To adjust the themes and appearance, open Themes under Preferences. From there you can switch between light and dark themes, and choose the color of icons and window borders. In the advanced settings, you can customize more features, including the mouse pointer and icons, and install custom themes. Changing the background image is simple. To do this, right-click the desktop and select Change Desktop Background, or by going to System Settings and navigating to the Background section. From there you can select a new background image by clicking on it, or add your own images. If you want the background images to automatically change, turn on Play Backgrounds as a slideshow and set the delay in minutes. In the keyboard settings, you can customize the shortcuts. Select the Shortcuts tab, and then add a new custom shortcut for a specific command. This allows you to assign new key combinations or change existing ones for applications and actions. Linux Mint has a built-in nightlight feature that can be enabled from the system settings. This feature reduces blue light, warms the screen's colors at nighttime, and can be scheduled to turn on automatically at specific times. You can also adjust the color temperature to your preference. We will also go through some basic terminal commands. To open the terminal, click on the icon in the taskbar or press the Ctrl+Alt+T keys. To install software, simply type sudo apt install along with the name of the package. For example, to install VLC Media Player, type VLC after the command. To uninstall software, type sudo apt remove and the name of the package. To upgrade all packages installed on your system to the latest versions, type sudo apt upgrade. It updates existing packages without removing any currently installed ones. Linux system maintenance involves keeping the system updated, performing backups, and monitoring performance and logs. As discussed previously, you can use your package manager to regularly check for and install updates, which may include security patches. An important tool we will go through is TimeShift. It's a system restore tool that takes snapshots of your operating system files to allow you to revert to a previous state in case something goes wrong with an update or software installation. We would recommend backing up your files before any major system changes. To use it, you can open the application from the menu, select a snapshot type, choose a backup location in the Location tab, like an external drive, and set a schedule. To restore on a running system, open TimeShift, select the snapshot you want to restore, and click Restore. If your system won't boot, you can boot your computer from a live USB drive. Open TimeShift from the live environment. Connect the external drive where your snapshots are stored. Select the snapshot, and click Restore. To clean up disk space on Linux Mint, use the terminal to remove unused packages. There are 2 commands you can run in the terminal to do this. These commands don't delete any installed packages or system files, only the temporary files that were downloaded during installations. Sudo apt auto remove removes packages that were installed as dependencies, but are no longer needed. Sudo apt clean removes all downloaded package files from the local cache. Linux Mint has a variety of learning resources. The official Linux Mint website offers an overview of the operating system, installation guides, and various tutorials written by the community. It also has community forums, which are a good place to get help from users and see solutions to common problems. You can find these forums on the official website. Before posting, search the forums for your question, as it may have already been answered. If not, you can create a new topic. If you want to stay up to date with more insightful content like this, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To receive notifications whenever our channel posts new content, you can also click on the bell icon.